What's going on, everybody? I'm Steven, and this is Bill Brothers. And today I have the Mustang here. It's running, it's here, it's inspected, it's all good. That's what we're driving. I am going to pick my daughter up from school. She wanted me to drop the top and pick her up. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to try to film the reaction if there is a reaction. So that's what we're on our way to do. So let's go do it. For some reason.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
What?
I don't know. Are you excited to go driving the Mustang?
Yes.
Yes.
I don't like when you have to go to the Mustang-majigger.
I don't know what you're talking about.
It's raining.
Oh.
And then I have to sleep over there. I took my States and Capitals test today.
Oh, how do you think you did?
Oh, I know.
How?
I forgot two of them. I
Ooh.
forgot Dover, Delaware, and...
So what'd you put for those?
No, I didn't.
You didn't answer.
Yeah. Because we did it up on the board. She said, if you know one of the names, do it. And then she's like, she didn't say that I could say one of the names. And then the next person, she said they could. So I'm like, because I'm like, I have to think of the state and the capital. Ugh.
Well, maybe.
And I'm not allowed to take the test again.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, she said, don't come up there if you don't know all the states and the capitals. Ow! And then she said it like this. Don't come up if you don't know all of the states and the capitals. And then 3 people went up there that didn't know all the states and the capitals.
You didn't know?
Yeah, I thought I did. And then when I got up there, I was shaking.
So you're nervous?
Yes! And then she said, sometimes when you get nervous, like it blocks your brain. And then you can't think of some of them. A lot of people said Harrisburg first. The dragon out there.
Yeah.
Look at my hair now. You messed it up.
And that's what I'm here for, to mess your hair up.
I'm hungry. Even though I just had a snack, Mommy only gave me crackers and cheese.
They're looking at you.
Hey, my head reaches this now. Woohoo! Wait, does it?
It's barely, like that much.
In the back, it does.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and our team won. Our class won at kickball.
Did they?
We got more than 3 home runs. I don't think we actually played real kickball because we're too tiny.
Too tiny?
And they just mowed the grass, and everybody got grass on their shoes except for me because the bottom of my shoes don't pick up any grass at all. And everybody's shoes were like dragging in grass, but except for mine. Like I only got, like look how much I got on mine. What's up, truck? I hope they took up their windows.
Wouldn't it be funny if they turned and they were like lived right next to us?
Yeah.